Disorders related to circulatory system. Heart attack. Like all other organs, heart also needs food and oxygen. When arteries supplying the heart become thick due to age or faculty, diet consisting of excessive fatty food, muscle cells of the heart cannot beat in the proper rhythm. Heart attack occurs, which can be detected in an abnormal ECG, and there are methods of treatment. Anemia. When hemoglobin level falls below a certain point, the condition is called anemia. It makes the person weak and look pale and inactive. Iron in the diet helps remove anemia. Leukemia. This is blood cancer. The bone marrow makes excessive WBCs at the cost of RBCs. Hypertension. It is high blood pressure and leads to headache, dizziness and fatigue. Normal blood pressure is 120/80. High blood pressure is caused by anxiety also.